Hey there, self-improvement enthusiasts. Today I'm diving into something truly transformative. How to rewire your brain and install a new identity using NLP or neuro-linguistic programming. First off, let's talk about neuroplasticity. This is the brain's incredible ability to reorganize itself by forming new neural connections throughout life. Think of it like this. Your brain is not a static organ, it's a dynamic, ever-changing powerhouse. Now let's move to identity theory. Your identity is essentially the story you tell yourself about who you are. These stories are deeply embedded in your subconscious, shaping your beliefs, habits, and actions. And here's the kicker. Most of these stories were formed early in life and are now just running on autopilot. Imagine having software installed in your brain that dictates how you operate. If that software is outdated or faulty, it's time for an upgrade. Enter NLP. This powerful psychological approach uses language and repetition to reprogram those subconscious patterns. By changing the words you use and the stories you tell, you can literally rewire your brain. Here's how you can start. First, identify the limiting beliefs that are holding you back. Maybe you tell yourself, I'm not good enough, or I can't achieve my dreams. These are just stories. Next, replace these old beliefs with empowering affirmations. Use positive present tense statements like, I am capable or I am worthy of success. Repeat these affirmations daily. Repetition is key. The more you say it, the more your brain begins to believe it. It's like carving a new path through a dense forest. With each repetition, the path becomes clearer and easier to follow. Visualizations can also amplify this process. Picture yourself living as your new identity. See yourself succeeding, thriving, and being the person you want to be. Make these visualizations as vivid as possible. Remember, change doesn't happen overnight. Be patient and consistent. Your brain needs time to form these new connections. And there you have it. By harnessing the power of neuroplasticity and applying NLP techniques, you can install a new identity and unlock your full potential. Thanks for tuning in. And remember, the power to transform your life lies within you. Keep believing, keep growing. Until next time.